Hello my friends, I welcome all of you in my channel Bajit's classes, and today I would talk about the very important MCQ questions and descriptive questions from the essay of studies that is written by Francis Bacon. So without wasting time, let's begin. The first question that I think to be important is, who is known as the father of English essays? So here the answer is Francis Bacon. Here I have only dealt with the right answer. Instead of giving multiple options, I have just given here the right answer so that you can locate it more easily. So the next question is, studies serve for delight, ornament, and what is the third thing? That is ability. So studies serve for delight, ornament, and ability. Thirdly, ability. This question is very important. Next question, natural abilities are like natural plants. Okay, and why are the natural abilities are compared to natural plants? You obviously know, I think, if you have gone through the text or if you have seen my previous video. If you have not yet watched it yet, you may go through it, you may watch it. Anyways, natural abilities are like natural plants because as natural plants are trimmed every now and then so that they can grow and thrive well, in the same way our natural abilities are also to be edited for further upgradation. So that is the answer. Natural abilities are like natural plants. The next one, crafty man contempt studies, simple man just admire them, and the wise people they use the studies. So actually those people are wise who know the use of the studies. So wise men use studies. So that is very important, and they are rightly called wise as they know how to use studies. Next one is, Francis Bacon has classified books into 3 categories. Okay, and these 3 categories are very important. Some books are to be tasted, others to be swallowed, some few to be chewed and digested. I have not mentioned here in detail, but what is important here is to know the types of the categories, number of types of categories, that is 3. But this question is important for broad questions also. Okay, moving to the next one. Conference makes a man ready. That is the answer. Okay, actually reading maketh a full man, conference a ready man, and writing makes a man what? Exact. So what makes a man exact? It's writing that makes a man exact. So that is very important, ভীষণ ইম্পর্টেন্ট একটি এন্ট্রি যে মানুষের ক্ষেত্রে রাইটিং কি রোল প্লে করে, হোয়াট রোল ডাজ রাইটিং প্লে, ওকে, ইন দ্য লাইফ অফ আ ম্যান. সো রাইটিং helps a man to become exact. History makes man wise. So the questions may come in different formats also. They may use a different type of tone to ask you the same question. So you should know the basic answer, only then you can answer the questions if it is asked from a number of multiple angles. So history makes a man wise. So সেখানেও একটা এন্ট্রি রয়েছে যে বিভিন্ন সাবজেক্ট কীভাবে মানুষকে হেল্প করে, বিভিন্ন স্টাডিজ অফ ডিফারেন্ট সাবজেক্টস, হাউ ইট হেল্পস অ্যান ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল. সো হিস্ট্রি মেক্স আ ম্যান ওয়াইজ. As poetry makes man witty. I have not mentioned them, all of them, but you should go through them. Distilled books are like distilled water. Distilled books are compared to distilled water. Why? You should know this. You should go through the text repeatedly, and I would request you to watch my video that I have already uploaded in my channel. In my channel I keep on uploading videos related to English Honours PG and Pass Course and other issues of English literature as well. So you should subscribe the channel. I would request you humbly to subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Okay, next one, Ebullient studies in moors. What does it mean? This is a Latin phrase. It means studies becomes habits, or studies develop into habits. Okay, all the information that I have make available to you are authentic to the best of my knowledge. Okay, features of Bacon's writing, this is very important. It has come in the form of broad questions as well when we face the exam, and it may also come in the form of MCQ. So features of Bacon's writing, 3 features of Bacon's writings are lacking of any forward, stenographic brevity, and frequent use of Latin. In my previous video I have talked about these things in detail. I have covered it from the exam point of view. You should watch the video. Here comes the broad question. Here come the broad questions. What are the features of Bacon's writing? As I just told you earlier that this is important. The same question may come in the form of MCQ, and the same question may come in the form of broad pattern also. Who are the schoolmen and why are they significant? Who are the seminisectors? What are they good at? These questions are very, very important. Okay, your preparation regarding this particular text would remain incomplete unless you and until you go through all these questions or make yourself prepare with all these questions. Okay, what is the difference between a learned person and an experienced person? Next one, what are the 3 adverse or negative effects of studies? What are the 3 types of books which are called distilled book and why? What are the 3 types of books? Some books are to be tasted, others to be swallowed, some few to be chewed and digested. আমি তো বলবো তোমরা এখান থেকে বেশ কিছু লাইন একদম মুখস্থ করে নিও, ঠিক আছে? Explain the phrase ebullient study and moors. The same question may come in the form of broad as well. Who are the schoolmen and why? This question is also important. Write in brief about the usefulness of different subjects. So thank you friends for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel and help me to help you. Thanks. Thank you. Best of luck.